Hi everyone, it's Monica. I'm back with another video. Today's video is completely new to me. It's something that I've been meaning to make for a long time now. It is Arroz Caldo using Steel Cut Oats. Arroz Caldo is a popular dish back home, back in the Philippines. I love it growing up, and even now as an adult, I love it. But my problem is I don't feel good eating it, just because, like, don't get me wrong, like I do eat carbs, I do eat rice, I do eat like pasta and all that, but Arroz Caldo is mainly made of rice. Mainly rice, a little bit of chicken, and flavored with garlic, onions, and ginger, and a little bit of fish sauce. So those are the basics. Like, you can't make it without these things, like otherwise it would just taste differently. Like, you can definitely add whatever you want, like some put some chicharon or pork rinds. I thought if I could make this dish, but you know, like a healthy version, then I would be so happy. Like, that would be good. Now let's see how this turns out, guys. I promise I'll be honest how it turns out, like texture wise. Like, I'm not worried about the flavor because I'm not changing the flavor of it. Like, the basics are still, like, that's what I'm going to be using. I'm just a little like concerned how it's gonna turn out. Like, I already know Steel Cut Oats, like I make it a lot, but like just together, and just the fact that I'm putting this out there as like Arroz Caldo but a healthy version. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. Okay guys, so these are the things that I need. I have some chicken here. I'm just waiting for it to fully defrost. And I have some olive oil, white onion, garlic, and ginger. I won't need the whole thing, and same for this. And some pepper, and I need a cube of chicken bouillon. I love this one because it's like non-GMO. And I have a cup of Steel Cut Oats. And for the toppings, I have some pork rinds or chicharon, and I have some, oh, I forget what it's called, saffron. And also I have some green onions. And then for the sauce, it's just for the topping, I guess, I have some fish sauce, lime, and some chili. Okay, so I'll start with making the Steel Cut Oats because this takes a little bit longer to make. I also have a video. I did film a video about this, how to make it the overnight method. The link will be on the right of this video. Anyway, so I have about a cup here, and I have 4 cups of water. I'm just waiting for this to boil, and then I'm gonna add the Steel Cut Oats. Right, this is it, guys. I'm about to try it. He's tried it before, but I don't think he actually knew what was in it, so it was just basically rice, and this one is steel cut oats. So you have to mix it because the sauce is pretty spicy there. Do you remember the taste being the same?
This one seems a little bit stronger, but good.
The sauce or what?
Yeah.
Okay, the sauce is pretty, because I put a lot of like chili in it, but the steel cut oats is actually pretty good. Like, it's not bad. Like, you can kind of think it's rice, to be honest. Like, you wouldn't think it's like oats, so it doesn't feel like...
Doesn't feel porridgey. It tastes pretty good. But obviously,
it's supposed to be like porridge.
Does it?
Well, it's porridge, but I didn't make it too like.
But it doesn't feel. Yeah, it doesn't feel like you're going out for cereal and porridge with raisins. It almost feels like a rice.
Yeah, that's the main goal of this video. Is basically to substitute the rice with steel cut oats, so it's like a healthy version. So it's not like I'm eating like a big bowl of this and it's like all rice, and then after like we just feel like gross. So now that I know that it works, then I'll definitely going to keep making this.
Steel cut oats all day. Steel cut oats all day. Steel cut oats all day.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, my toddler is in the my bathroom calling me. Dad, can you help her?
No.
Guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you find this video helpful. And I really hope that you would try this. Like, I'm like being 100% honest, like it does work. Like, you can't, once you try it, especially if you haven't had steel cut oats, you'd be like, you would think it's just rice that's like just a little undercooked, but overall I like it. I think it's good, and I think you should try it. Thanks for watching.